Hey y'all, I am back again with another holiday gift guide, but this gift guide is super special to me because it is gifts that bring families together. So this video is sponsored by JCPenney. As you may know, if you've been watching my channel, you know how I get down with JCPenney every time it's time to shop for birthdays, for holidays, anything like that. I go to JCPenney because it is a one-stop shop for all of my needs. And since the holidays is a time of giving, I want to gift one lucky winner a $100 gift card to JCPenney to go towards your holiday shopping. The rules are super simple. All you have to do is thumbs up this video and comment down below some gift ideas that you have in mind for families. You also have to be 18 years or older and live within the United States, and be on the lookout because I will pin the winner in the comment section of this video. So I really wanted to do this gift guide because I feel like a lot of people feel the pressure of buying a bunch of gifts for different people. But if you're buying for a family, I think that it's a lot simpler because you can get one gift that everybody in the family can benefit off of. And this is why I created this gift guide, because it could save time and it could save money and a lot of stress. So let's get started. So the very first thing that I saw whenever I went to the second floor of JCPenney was something that I know that my family can use. So I figured that, guess what, I know that another family can use it. So it is this griddle by Cooks. So this griddle is the copper series, and I love the design of it. I just loved it whenever I saw it because it's a lot better than that non-stick material. And what's great about it is it's 8 times more durable than the non-stick. It cooks 30% faster, and it doesn't have any of those chemicals that non-stick has. It's made free of all of that stuff, no lead. It also makes up to 10 eggs or 6 pancakes all at one time. So I think a griddle is awesome because in my family, breakfast is a tradition, especially on the weekends. It's a great time to get together and start your day off with the people that you love. So we definitely like whip up some French toast, some pancakes, some bacon, and we sit around and chat and just talk about our day. I love breakfast, and breakfast is a great way to just get the family together. The next gift idea is a housewarming gift, and when I saw it, I had to feel it. I'm so much of that person that likes to be on the couch, and I like to watch TV, and I like to be comfortable. So when I saw this, I was like, ooh, I have to get it. And I know definitely a family can get a lot of use out of this because who doesn't lounge around? A lot of families lounge around, and I know I'm not the only one. So I got this super comfortable blanket, and it's actually, it says ultra mink to Shepra throw, and it's overstuffed and soft. And let me tell you, when I tell you, like, this thing is so soft and so warm, oh my god, I had to get it. And this is great because it's really big and the family can just like lay on the couch and get cozy. And since it's a throw, you can just have it available for, you know, anytime company comes or anytime that you want to lounge around. So you can just throw it on your couch and you're set. Comfortable and cozy, especially during the winter times. I don't know about you, but it's very cold where I am. And I think that just something that makes the house a little bit more comfortable is always a great gift for a family. The next gift idea I had was with my kids in mind, because I know that kids like to get together every now and then with their family, and they like to interact and they like to have fun. It's really a great time to get together and play a board game. So I got a board game, and my kids were drawn to Shark Bite for some odd reason. They just had to get it. This is just a fun way to spend time with the kids. And you know what, I was like, well, this is a great gift idea. So I thought about it. You know what, they picked Shark Bite, and it's probably something that I wouldn't have chosen for a family, but you have to think, you want to think about the youngest member of the family. So maybe the youngest member of the family is 6 years old. You probably want to get something that's appropriate for a 6-year-old, and then everybody can play it and nobody's left out. We all have an inner child, and sometimes it's just really great to bring that inner child out. So game night is definitely going to be a part of my family's life from now on, and I think that this is just, you can't go wrong with a game. The next gift idea is a speaker. Now, this is a voice activated wireless speaker with Amazon Alexa. As you may know, everybody is just so Alexa this, Alexa that. You know, Alexa's a big deal right now. So I thought that this is a great idea. It has Wi-Fi, it's voice activated, and it has Bluetooth, so you can connect any device to it, listen to some music, and have a good time. This is a great thing to have whenever you're having family gatherings, or whenever you're having like a barbecue outside or something like that, and you want to play some music, and we can't all afford a DJ, so I was like, this is perfect. So I actually have a speaker, and I use it all the time when I'm cooking, when I'm cleaning, when I just need some relaxation time, when I want to listen to my podcast. So I feel like everybody has a device of some sort that they can connect to a speaker, and they can just get a lot of use out of a speaker. So this was great. I got this from JCPenney. Like I said, it has Alexa. This is definitely a plus that it has that. So you can ask it the weather, you can play music, you can hear the news, and you can control your smart home from this and more. So this is a great gift idea that I think that each member of the family can get a lot of use out of. And you know what? I really don't think you can go wrong with a gadget like this. The next gift idea is definitely something that's related to the kitchen again, because I feel like food is just something that we all can relate to, because we all eat, we all love food, and food is a great way to get the family together. But especially for holidays like Thanksgiving and birthdays and definitely Christmas, I think that this is a great gift idea for a family. So I picked up this Cook's Signature 5.5 quart Dutch oven. I could not pass this up when I saw this, because it is absolutely beautiful. It is gold and white. It is so chic, and I love the design. It is extremely heavy, so I'm like I'm balancing this on my shoulder, but it's really great. And Dutch ovens, if you don't know, are great for stews and great for things that you have to cook for a long time. You can get a lot of use out of a Dutch oven. Dutch ovens last forever, and it's great for a homemaker. I'm sure that any cook in the family would really appreciate this type of gift. Oh, it says also it's good for soups, stews, chilies, slow cooking meats, and vegetables. So yeah, oh, and it makes food juicy. That's why it has a tight fitting lid. This thing is heavy. I'm gonna go ahead and put it down. And so yeah, I think that anything for the kitchen is a great gift idea, but if you really want to show off and show out, definitely get them something like this. A Dutch oven is something that not everybody has, and I think that it is a great gift idea for a family to get together, and especially, like I said, if they have a cook in the family, definitely can't go wrong with the Dutch oven. So that is it for this holiday gift guide. I hope you guys enjoyed this gift guide, and I hope that you can use it to your advantage. I hope that this helped you find a great gift for a family. And remember, don't stress over getting a bunch of gifts. You can just get one gift that everybody in the family can enjoy and get a lot of use out of. I think that that would save you a lot of time, a lot of money, and a lot of stress. And definitely check out JCPenney, because like I said, they are a one-stop shop. They have clothes, small appliances, they have everything that you need, even novelty items, picture frames, bedding, you name it, they have it. That's why I like going over there, because I know that I can find anything that I need from JCPenney. So I will leave all the gift ideas down below for you to check out. And also don't forget to enter into the giveaway. It's super simple. And good luck, Merry Christmas, and Happy Holidays to everybody watching this. And as always, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you guys soon. Peace.